Good afternoon. We are part of UNISEC Global from the beginning, and we are in UNISEC activities since 2010. And this is the logo prepared by UNISEC Japan. So we have two logos. Over there is the kind of national, and this one is with different motifs, international. And we do our efforts as a combined one from other universities, government, space industry, and also spin-off micro SME companies. We started in 2011, again, as I always say, following a meeting with Japanese partners. And now we have over 20 participant universities with quite some interest from government and industry. We had 6 meetings, and well, the issue we see, which is not so easy to make a legal association. And of course, our aim is to carry out a good project altogether with other members, and to be funded by government or aerospace industry, and international cooperation is an important element. Here you see the meetings from November 11 till June this year, and we are planning to hold a meeting right after second UNISEC Global. As you see, there is always at least 10 universities, and with a strong interest from other institutions. And well, we are of course related to the Turkish space program, which was soundly established in 2005. Space business started in 1989 with communication satellites. Currently, an efficient or an effective workforce, space workforce of Turkey is denoted as 500, which is not sufficient for the space program envisaged, actually. Now, there is a process on establishing the Turkish Space Agency. Now, there is a representative organization called the Directorate General of Aeronautics and Space Technologies with certain duties. And you see on the left the government side, and on the right the academic side, led by my university, and the companies in the bottom. Well, for all these efforts, and we think that a national space agency is a very important element, because there is I would say, confusion of coordination regarding space activities and funding currently in Turkey. Here you see the Turkish space program, and this one is the big picture. Currently we have 2 Turkish-made satellites in orbit, Earth observation, and we have 2 or 3 communication spacecraft, last 2 procured from Japan. And by 2020, a total of 17 Turkish satellites is envisaged to be in orbit, but it may take more time. And you see the CubeSat or NanoSat history since 2009. These are in orbit. And the place in the world, and this is a good picture. So Turkey here with $67 million, I will see. This is a recent picture of world regarding space activities. So what we have done this year, actually, we hold 2 meetings, and with a 7th to follow the global one. Then we see a good interest and benefit being a legal part of UNISEC Global. We have prepared a number of projects for funding with UNISEC members. We hold the first Turkish CANSAT leader training course. Again, with other UTEP members, we had applications within Mission Idea Contest 3, and we have participating in international activities related to nanosat. We have ongoing projects, and again, we are working towards being a legal association. Well, of course, project is also important. This is from the last meeting, all the people, and the presentations were on UNICEF Global, including information on what's going on. So we have participants. Of course, members, they present what they are doing. For example, they work on space propulsion, small satellite launchers, international CASAT competitions. Again, we won the first place in USA. This is the third time. And we had also other teams in the first 10. So these are the projects with European and North African partners. This, Şevket gave the details of the course. We had 12 participants from 5 UTEP universities. We are preparing a second TRIU to be launched maybe next year. And we have the QB50, we will talk about it. We are preparing 2 QB50 double CubeSats together with the industry and other UTEP members. And QB50, it's a good school for enhancing spacecraft design management and ground station operation skills. And this is another project to be carried out with the industry. We also go to the high school and primary schools for outreach. And I think nanosats are becoming even more and more important. Think that you have many cheap nanosats in orbit, and you have very large capable spacecraft, but sitting on the table to be ready. So which one is better? And in 2005, we will carry our work, and we will try to continue ongoing projects and look for new projects, particularly a very large project with good funding. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor. That is all the presentation from each country. We have very impressive reports from many countries. I'd like to express special thanks for all presenters and participants. Thank you very much.